Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a video on cyberbullying. So cyberbullying has been a pretty big issue as recent. Um, One of the biggest things that I've noticed about cyberbullying is people that really just they spend most of their time just looking for people to prey on. So whether it be on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or any of those social platforms, a lot of the times kids will just go and make fun of a person's lifestyle, their way they or what they show on social media, and bring it to school. And one of the biggest things that I think is a big problem is the fact that bullying's changed so much between before the internet and now, because now kids can't get away from their problems. Kids can just keep them nagging on them when they're at home, whereas before kids could get away. When they got home, they didn't have to deal with getting bullied. And now that's just so much, it's so different because kids can't get away from it at all. So it's a really big issue if you see somebody get cyberbullied, or you know see some kid posting like mean comments. I would show somebody at school or anything like that. Maybe stick up for the kid, but anything's always helpful. It's because those kids aren't doing it for themselves. So next time you see that, just be wary. All right, thank you.